What a going is recap, peoples. As usual, I have some saucy roundup for Uno. Charlie Black and his team experienced racial profiling. Auntie Grace and Uncle Justin separated. Michelle Montana is back after 2 years. New music and lots more. I'm your host, Alicia. Let's get into it. Racial profiling is very much alive and well in this day and age. And again, another black man is under the microscope of white supremacy. And it's one of our own. Yeah, I said it. Our local dancehall artist Charlie Black and his team experienced racial profiling at the Newark airport in New Jersey. The DJ stated that his team was forcibly searched and restrained from boarding a flight to Israel they had planned for the 3rd of May. According to Charlie Black's manager, Julian Jones Griffith, they thought that such a circumstance was not possible due to the fact that Black was in communication with the head of the airline security. Charlie Black expressed his feelings about what he and his team experienced in a sequence of Instagram story posts, where he told his fans that he will no longer be making it to Israel, even though he was scheduled to be there by 2 p.m. on the 4th of May. However, as for racism, the DJ admitted its existence. He made mention that he had never before experienced it as he did. He also said that the person who was dealing with his team at the airport was doing everything in his powers to prevent them from boarding their flight. He also outlined that racial profiling was something he had experienced in Europe, but not on the level he did while in the United States. His manager, Julian Jones Griffith, said there are plans to file a formal complaint. Say it ain't so, Auntie Gracie. Say it ain't so. The speculations have been intense for weeks now of Queen of the Dancehall Spice breaking up from her Rasta love Justin Bud, but I think it has finally been confirmed that the couple parted ways. Spice made the confirmation in a video that she was no longer with Justin while she was sitting next to a male friend of hers in a vehicle. Don't believe me? Here's the bite.
Let me carry you off, you know?
Are you mash up me, man? Well, as old people would have said, every stick of them owe a bush. In translation, everybody has their somebody, and Auntie Grace must know what's best for her. Grammy Award-winning Jamaican reggae and dancehall superstar Shaggy was revealed as the Space Bunny in the most recent episode of The Masked Singer. The Masked Singer, which premiered on Fox, is an American reality singing competition television series that has been airing since January 2nd, 2019. Shaggy represented Team Cuddly and went up against Team Good's Prince and Team Bad's Queen Cobra in episode 9 of the show. He gave an energetic rendition of Evie D and the Boys to Men featuring Aaron Hall, Now That We Found Love. During the rap portion of the hit, most listeners could tell that the person in the Space Bunny suit was not a Native American. His semi-obvious Caribbean accent caused two panelists, Nicole Schwarzenegger and Robin Thicke, to decipher that it was indeed Shaggy. Jenny McCarthy, on the other hand, guessed that it was Sean Kingston, while Keng Jeong was the furthest off, betting that it was Owen Wilson. It was a pleasure to watch. Here's the bite.
Take it off! 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 Take it off!
Take it off, Shaggy! I need to know who this is!
Grammy Award-winning superstar, Shaggy!
Hard work and true passion for what she does is the true definition of Shenseea. Can you believe she's already working on a new album? Here's the bites.
I feel like I've been getting a lot of recognition from international acts, producers. I'm working on my second album, and knowing that I've given my first album, Alpha, to the culture. It's my very first. I had to give back to my culture. The second one is completely something different.
I don't know if the king of soca, Machel Montano, as many would deem him, is back performing on the stage, but he performed at Melly Destination in Cancun, Mexico. It has been 2 years since the Like a Boss singer performed. Melly Destination is a 5-day vacation party hosted by Mr. Montana himself, as he celebrated his 40th year in soca. This year, together with Tribe Carnival, the fete started on April 28th to May 2nd at the Moon Palace Resort. Also performing alongside Montana was Destra, Farmanapi, Lyrical, Viking Ding Dong, Patrice Roberts, Voice, and Problem Child. This week's new music, my favorite part of the show, we feature Halek Mal featuring Chief Dean with Verify, Shaggy with Minano, Protege with Hills, and Peter Ram with Pumping. Take a look.
Just now, we all over. Right from the corner. The world have to heal, yeah. Who can get them a go feel, boy? Put up your rock and flat, everybody come and take it on back. Pumping, pumping, pumping. Real bumpers then be jumping. As soon as I get off the plane, yeah, you don't know this carnival again. Pumping, pumping, pumping. By every bar and corner, we like
turns in the black of cheat, let the seats so they come call, yeah, she back on me. In the mind, I'm the only G energy, make them complain to the referee. Might just got to die with a dynasty, big like Khan, the Ottoman, ain't much hotter than him. Master the climate control on a brand new way for it. Hailing from Bridgestone, that's where we stay, Lord. And we don't play, Lord. Money coming every single day, Lord. We heathens, but we still say, Lord. Try to run away, but it's not for the big.
Now hear it. Burn up the place when you see me ever hot, not chilly. Phenomenon, the gal them say me at them and you see me. Love me up when them see me, say them have something to give me. Bring the kitty, come and tell me, say me have the killy. She love the way how me set it, them ask me where me get the road boy style. Me say that running on me family. No show no mercy, no pity, yeah, so we like the city. If a guy test, you know it, no, go be nothing pretty. I want to them, I want to them. I want to them, I want to them. I want to them, I want to them. I want to them, I want to them.
Man, I been up in the hills, in the like either way, no sign of me. Steam up 3 times a day, find my way. Man, I been up in the hills, in the I get my privacy, like finally. No bad vibes side of me, in my domain. Man, I been up in the hills, in the like either way, no sign of me. Steam up 3 times a day, find my way. Man, I been up in the hills, in the I get my privacy, I mind my business. They talking, I ain't listening.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, these individuals. Happy birthday to you. Not even individuals, but it's just one spectacular lady of reggae. This week's birthday shout out goes to Jamaican dancehall and reggae artist Lady G. Happy birthday to you and continue to do great work. And you know it can't be a birthday celebration without me saying big up you. And on that note, thanks for watching PBCJ's Entertainment Recap. I'm your girl, Alicia. Follow us on all socials at PBCJamaica. Thanks to Ear Candy Collection for my earrings. Remember to follow them at the Ear Candy Collection on all social media platforms. If you have a story or a new music video that you love us to carry, email us at asteel@pbcjamaica.org. Have a great weekend, keep safe and spread love and enjoy the whole of the weekend and big up you!